Good morning, friends. Good morning, everyone. Today, we will do weekly forecast from 7th July to 11th July कि मार्केट में क्या क्या हो सकती है. We will analyze this. So first, we will analyze Nifty. So to analyze Nifty, this is the Nifty chart. Now, market is at the top. Market is at the top, and here it has given 1 minute. Now, as you can analyze, market is at the top, Nifty is at the top, and what it has done, it has from this bottom of the election day, 4th June, it has moved in that scenario, and now it has given upside breakout. So similarly, from here, it has moved. It has moved like this. And now it has come down. And now it has given upside break. So approximately here, same kind of scenario has been following. And now Nifty has made the top. And from here to here, if we will analyze, Nifty has created a round bottom. Sorry. Nifty has created a round bottom. So here it has given breakout of the round bottom, and now the price has exact retrace here. Exact retrace here. So price is exact at the support in case of a Nifty. Price एकदम exact support level पर. Now so from election day to here breakout, it is almost, and then price consolidates here, and after this big rally, it is almost 71, 72 bars. And again from here to here, we will analyze price has given breakout around the cycle 76 days. It has given breakout. Now, so if I will analyze this, here cloud from there cloud also has turned blue, and हमारी जो यहाँ पर लैगिंग स्पैन है ये भी अप है. So there is a chance for the market which has given close above this here, and it has done retracement and again. So price may come to 25,071 level, and then we can see an upside level. But right now, 1 day chart of Nifty is showing price is in uptrend. Nice. But using this indicator, it is a band which normally depicts when the price at the buy zone, it moves upside. But right now, price is exact at the sell zone. And then the price has come down. So the next level we can see here is 25071 is my next level. And you will not believe, lot of Nifty 50 stocks. Yeah. Lot of Nifty 50 weightage component exact at the sell zone type. If you will analyze Sensex, it is exact at the sell zone and now it is the fall. And again, mid-cap Nifty also exact on the sell zone and also at the top band. अगर हम लोग फिन निफ्टी की बात करें तो फिन निफ्टी ऑल्सो एट द सेल जोन एंड हियर main components of Nifty is your bank Nifty and it is at the sell zone and now it has given downfall. So अगर मैं इसकी बात करूं तो निफ्टी की जो यहाँ पर मेजर components है they are at the sell zone. So price will come to retest that level and then there is a chances to move up. So upside की momentum के लिए price will come to retest this level and again it will move up. क्योंकि निफ्टी की जो यहाँ पर मेजर कंपोनेंट्स है इंक्लूडिंग फिन निफ्टी मिड कैप निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी ऑल आर स्टैंडिंग हियर एट द सेल जोन. सो आने वाले टाइम में आने वाले वीक में हम लोग थोड़ी बियरिश सेंटीमेंट के साथ में मूव करेंगे. देयर इज अ लिटिल बिट बियरिश एंड वंस द प्राइस रीटेस्ट आफ्टर रीटेस्ट वी विल वॉच अगेन अपसाइड मूवमेंट. राइट नाउ मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर इज अप. Market structure is not down. And similar fashion as per Elliott wave theory, it is about to complete wave fifth. So after the completion of wave fifth, first wave, second wave, first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and now this is the fifth wave. It is about to complete. So after completion, we will see a retracement here A, and then it is A, and then here B, and then we will see a C wave structure. Now, I am not talking about Neo wave. So, as per wave intersection theory, what is indicating towards the market? It is indicating that first wave intersection happens on 13th March and now a weak movement from there. And then 7th April. Here due to price consolidation, we have not get any kind of a proper little bit intersection. But here again, but now again on for here on the 24th June again it is a major wave intersection and now it has moved upside little bit. It has given breakout And again, intersection happens here around 3rd to 4th July. And it is also a sign of trend change. It is also a sign of trend change. Now, you will analyze this wave intersection. You will find that previously altitude was more. प्रीवियसली एल्टीट्यूड मतलब जो एल्टीट्यूड है, वेव की जो एल्टीट्यूड है, ये धीरे धीरे डिक्रीज हो रही है. फर्स्ट इट वाज मोर फ्रॉम देयर, एंड देन द एल्टीट्यूड यहाँ भी डिक्रीज हुई, यहाँ पर भी वेव में यहाँ पर भी डिक्रीज हुई. अगेन altitude has been decreasing. So wave is showing wave is showing little bit divergence scenario. So a chances of downfall for the retracement is possible in the upcoming week. But price stands at exact support on the daily time. Now, here price has created means Nifty has formed a round pattern, and it has given, after a long time consolidation, it has given upside breakout like this. आफ्टर वीक, ये वीकली चार्ट है, तो हम लोगों के पास में इसने इसने अपसाइड, एंड नाउ दिस इज द रैली. Here it has given breakout. Now the price is coming to retest this level 25211. So in the upcoming days, this level can be observed. So for the upcoming, right now Nifty trend is the bullish trend, but it has given breakout and it is coming to retest this level. And also I have seen in your Ichimoku and all this, there is little bit selling pressure in the upcoming week, and after retest this level, price is also ready to move upside. But now for the upcoming week, little bit scenario is bearish. Now it is my Monday GCP number. Nifty is highly bullish above this number 25465, and it is your target. And it is bearish below 25396 is the target. I have also given it is the spot chart. You can make future and option positions for the upcoming week based on this GCP number. I have given here Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Sensex, Mid Cap Nifty. अगर प्राइस 25465 के ऊपर में क्लोज करती है, देन you have to wait to retrace this level. What is the meaning of this? How will you take the trade? First GCP number is 25420. Nifty GCP number is 25420. 25420. Now, price has given forcefully breakout above this open of out, but it will be highly bullish above this GCP number 25465. So now 25465. तो अगर प्राइस इसके ऊपर में नेक्स्ट डे अगर ये प्राइस ब्रेकआउट करती है, डोंट गो फॉर द हरी. Wait for the price to retest. After breakout, wait for the price to retest this level and then take the upside trade. And it is similarly for the downside. Now, I have given all the labels: highly bullish, highly bearish, buy above, sell below. Target, everything has been given. Now, Similarly, for the crude oil, gold, silver, and here I have given XAU USD segment for the upcoming Monday. When will be next trading session, you will analyze that XAUSD highly bullish above this and it is the target, highly bearish below this number and it is the target. Similarly, for the gold MCX future, silver MCX future, and crude MCX future. Now, it is my weekly range. निफ्टी की अपसाइड की वीकली रेंज है 25207, 23714, 58233 and all these things. Sorry, I have made here something mistake. So I will correct and I will post in my Telegram as well as WhatsApp community. मैं इसको पोस्ट कर दूंगा. There is something wrong data has been placed. Now, it is the Bank Nifty weekly range, Fin Nifty weekly range, Sensex weekly range, Mid Cap Nifty weekly range. Now, जिस स्टॉक्स पर आपको फोकस रखनी है, it is the Britannia 7 Combo, Muthoot Finance 7, OFSS, HDFC Bank, Polycab, PI Industry, and all these things. And apart from this, some momentum stock which I have already given in my Telegram. $361 Inox Wind IGL. You will have to keep focus here. We will have to keep focus here. Magical candle for in index for 7th July and the magical candle 925 to 930. You have to mark the high and low and take the trade whichever side market break and retest. हाई लो को मार्क करनी है 5 मिनट की कैंडल. जिस साइड मार्केट ब्रेक करके रिटेस्ट करे उस साइड की हम लोग वेट करेंगे. एंड द क्रेजी टाइम मीन्स ये जो टाइम है ये टाइम क्रेजी टाइम है. यहाँ पर मार्केट की वोलेटिलिटी ज्यादा होती है. देयर इज अ चांसेस ऑफ ए बिग ब्लास्ट इन द मार्केट ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम 1250 to 1255. Now, some astrological impact. इंडेक्स ट्रेंड चेंज 4th July. ठीक है. मोस्ट वोलाटाइल डे ऑफ द वीक 8th and 10th July. गोल्ड ट्रेंड चेंज 3rd July. कॉमोडिटी ट्रेंड चेंज 30. तो ये सारी डेट को हम लोग ट्रेंड चेंज की एनालिसिस लोग करेंगे कि फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज हियर आई हैव टेकन इट्स यूएसडी. 3rd July is the date when we can see there is a little bit ट्रेंड चेंज. इफ दिस ट्रेंड तो हम लोग यहाँ पर कुछ डाउन साइड की ट्रेंड हम लोग देख सकते हैं. वी कैन सी इट देयर. डाउन साइड की ट्रेंड हमें यहाँ से देखने को मिलेगी. तो 3rd July इज द डेट फॉर द ट्रेंड चेंज इन गोल्ड. नाउ Astro trend change date of index this month 24th July. Mark high and low and take trade positional. Gold and silver 10th June, which have already passed. 3rd July and then this month 30 July we can see a trend change in XAUSD gold or silver and also in MCX gold. Now, तो ये थी हमारी वीकली फोरकास्ट. अगर आप लोग किसी भी कोर्स के बारे में इंक्वायरी करना चाहते, यू कैन कॉल मी ऑन दैट नंबर। ये है हमारी, ठीक है, टेलीग्राम के लिंक, उसको जाकर के ज्वाइन करें, जहाँ एवरीडे सारी लेवल्स, मैजिकल कैंडल, एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट में एवरीडे प्रोवाइड करता हूँ। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस सम ट्रेड्स भी मैं वहां पर प्रोवाइड करता हूँ। व्हाट इज माय व्यू? ओके, थैंक्स अ लॉट, हैव अ नाइस डे, गॉड ब्लेस एवरीवन।